Can't log into your Xfinity app? Let's fix that. The most common culprits are password problems or issues with two-factor authentication, 2FA. First, try resetting your password via the Xfinity website or app. Ensure you create a strong, unique password, at least 12 characters with a mix of symbols, numbers, and letters. Avoid reusing passwords across different services. If password reset doesn't work, focus on 2FA. Make sure 2FA is enabled and that you have access to your verification method SMS Authenticator app. Check for delays in receiving SMS codes, especially if you're in an area with poor cellular coverage. As of late 2025, the Xfinity app now uses biometric login, facial recognition, fingerprint scans. If your device and app support this, use this to log in or regain access. If password and 2FA aren't the problem, consider account linking. Account linking connects your Xfinity account to other services like smart home devices or streaming platforms. Issues often arise from mismatched account types, such as residential versus business or expired authorizations. Check the Xfinity app settings to ensure your linked accounts are correctly configured and re-authenticate if necessary. If you are still experiencing problems with the app, you may need to keep the app up to date. As of late 2025, Xfinity requires app updates every 90 days, forcing logouts if you're not compliant. If problems still persist, call Xfinity support.